So hello everyone. Today we will learn few basic Excel mathematical shortcuts that will help you in your daily usage of Excel. The four basic types that we'll use or that we will see are: first is sum, second is average, third min and max, and fourth is count. Now let's switch on to the Excel view to learn these formulas. Okay, so first is sum. So assume that you have a set of numbers and you want to add them. Now, this is a very small set of numbers, hence it might look very easy, but then when the number of inputs become higher, a formula is more helpful. If you want to do it in a more rudimentary method, you might use a formula as equal to 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. This will give you the sum. Now this is a time consuming method if the total number of inputs are very high. If you want to do it more quicker and time efficient manner, you use a formula is equal to sum. You select sum here and select this array and bracket close. Enter. It gives you the same number again. So this is how you use sum function. Let's move on to the average function. Now, if I talk about the average of the same set of numbers, again using a rudimentary method will be equal to sum of all, which I can take the formula from the previous slide. So if you use the rudimentary method, it will be this complete sum plus divide by the total number of numbers here are, that is 5, divide by 5. This will give you the average 5.6. Now this is again a time consuming method if the total number of inputs are high. If you want to save time, just put in the formula equal to average, select the arrays, bracket close, enter. This will again give you the formula in a more quicker fashion. Now let's move on to min and max. Now assume you have a big array of numbers and you want to understand which is the most minimum number in this complete array and what is the maximum number in this complete array. It might be easier from here to see. Example, if in this set we can easily see 9 is the maximum number and 1 is the minimum number. But in case the number of inputs are high, then it becomes difficult. So you use a formula. What you use for minimum, you write equal to min, select the array, bracket close, enter. This gives 1, which is the most minimum number. Maximum number, again equal to max. Select the array. Let's select the array again. Bracket close, enter, 9. So this is how you find min and max. Now let's move on to the last function, that is count. Now count is again a similar type of function. It helps us to understand how many inputs are here. Since this is small, hence it might be easier to understand. That is, it starts from 3, ends at 17. 17 minus 2 is 15. So there are around 15 numbers. It's easier to understand it this way. But in case the number of digits are more, then it gets difficult. So the formula that you use is equal to count, select the array, bracket close, enter, 15. So this is how you count how many number of inputs are there in your Excel sheet. I hope this is useful. Thank you.